What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2022 Toyota Sienna hybrid started if the key fob dies. So like I said, I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 22 Sienna in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key not detected, check key location. So what we need to do, if we were just getting in the vehicle, we would get in, press the power button, then I'm going to touch the key fob to the power button, and you'll hear a beep, and it puts the ignition in the on position. You'll see your dash turn on, and now we can start the vehicle as normal. So press the brake in, power button, and now you're ready to drive. This is a hybrid, so you don't hear the motor start, but like I said, the ignition is started and you're ready to drive. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.